Severe weather in Central Florida. Tornado warning in Flagler as front moves through. Severe weather warnings with 60 miles per hour winds were issued for much of Central Florida this morning as a cold front passes through the state. The National Weather Service issued a tornado warning for Flagler County near Marineland until 6:30 a.m. An updated advisory that expires at 7:15 a.m. covers Seminole, southeatern Lake, northwestern Brevard, Orange, Volusia and northwestern Osceola counties. Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from Ormond Beach to Lake Helen, Cassia, Longwood and Oakland to west of Poinciana. Movement was east-northeast at 50 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour will be possible with these storm, reads the statement. Earlier, the severe weather warning said people should move toward the center of their homes for safety because of high winds and chance of hail. Also, roads will be dangerous as torrential rainfall has caused flooding as the storms pass through the state.